Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Huidun H20 mini PC, powered by an efficient 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, is now available at a 20% discount, marking its lowest price to date. This mini PC is designed for everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and multimedia playback, making it an ideal choice for an affordable and quiet workstation. It comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. Key features include dual HDMI outputs for multi-monitor setups, along with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and Gigabit Ethernet for robust connectivity. Its ultra-compact design allows it to be placed discreetly, and a passive cooling system ensures virtually silent operation. While not intended for gaming or advanced 4K editing, the Huidun H20 offers a reliable and efficient solution for users seeking a modern and functional mini PC. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.